What's up guys, welcome to our new YouTube channel. Behind me you guys see the Westtuned Orlando location. This is our second location. Our main location is located in Salem, New Hampshire. And this is our Orlando location, as I said. We just opened this last week. This is our second week here. We have customer cars already lined up. We have X7 B7 Alpina. We just put a full exhaust and eventually carbon intakes. There's another 2018 Porsche Panamera Turbo S hybrid. Car already had a downpipe done by a different shop, and then they put a tune on it as well. Customer wasn't happy with the results too much, so he brought it to us. We retuned the car with the Stage 2 hour custom tune, and runs perfect right now. Feels great, a lot of difference with the previous tune. And then next to that, there's our shop car, G80 M5, has port injection, fully 85 flex fuel tune from us, full low pressure fuel pump. Makes about 780 to the wheels. We're gonna be building that car soon with the NRW turbo kit and a couple other goodies. So today's project is F90 M5 behind me. As you guys saw, the M5 has a stock exhaust. It's super quiet, but today is the last day that the car is gonna be this quiet. It's an individual color F90, looks great with the carbon ceramic brakes. Customer already put an intake on it and then exhaust tips. But right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna be putting AW full system, as well as the new spark plugs, NGK spark plugs, DME unlock, boot mode 3 tune. We do custom tunes, but customer didn't want to put a custom tune yet. So we're going to be putting just a boot mode off the shelf map. And whenever he's ready, he's going to get a custom tune from us. And then beside that, we're going to be putting MAD primary and secondary downpipes. With that, car should make about low to mid 600 horsepower to the wheels with the off-the-shelf maps. These are great cars, great platform. We do a lot of these cars. We sell a lot of parts for these as well. The downpipes, intakes, suspension, wheels, DRL modules for the headlights, stuff like that. You guys can purchase these parts with the link in the description. We have also parts store, online parts store, westprf.com. That's our parts store. You guys can purchase any parts you want for your BMW. There's also 10% off for the first-time customers. Most of you guys know if car is produced after June 2020, you have to send the ECU to Femto. There's only one company can unlock these ECUs, and then it's called Femto. Our Femto turnaround time is 7 to 10 days, which is pretty quick. I mean, this car obviously doesn't need a Femto unlock. If it's produced before June 2020, we can unlock it in-house in 10-15 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do for that car as well, before we do boot mode tune. But there's 2021 Supra. It's not the same case on this one, since it's 2021. The customer's getting downpipe, intake, and a custom tune from us. And the ECU is already on the way to Femto. Actually, it's gonna ship back to us today. So we're waiting for the ECU to come back, and then we're gonna be putting downpipe, intake, and a full custom tune from us. In the meantime, car had a lot of oil leaks on the oil pan and the transmission pan. And the previous shop stripped the bolts on the oil pan, so it was leaking a lot of oil. So we removed the oil pan, I put a new oil pan in it with the new seals and everything. Now it's perfectly fine. Just waiting for the ECU, and then we're gonna start doing the market parts and the tune. So here's the AW exhaust. It's basically straight piped with the diamond black tips. This exhaust comes with two options. You can get a chrome tips as well. Customer wanted the black ones, so we got him the black one. It's gonna be super loud, especially with the primary and secondary downpipes. And this straight pipe, it's gonna be super loud. Can't wait to hear it. I'll show you guys. Alright guys, we just removed the exhaust and the downpipes from the F90, and so no more quiet and heavy stuff in the car anymore. Ready to put the AW exhaust. I can't wait to hear the sound. It's going to be super loud with the downpipes. Now the Jose will put everything on and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, F90 is behind me. We finished the car last night about 8:30, 9 p.m. So downpipe took us a little longer than it's supposed to be, but we finished everything. We did a DME online, we flashed the boot mode license. Customer didn't want to go with the custom tune yet. It will come back probably next month. And then we did the NGK spark plugs, highly recommended prior to tuning. And then the full AW exhaust. It's super loud as I expected. But we're gonna go drive it right now and show you guys how it sounds. I hope you guys like it. Let me tell you about this cars as well. So we have a 21 M4 here. Customer shipped this car from out of state, I believe from Indiana, I'm not sure exactly. It's getting DME unlocked, flex fuel kit, flex fuel tune, a transmission tune and downpipes. It's waiting for the ECU to come back as like the Supra. Both ECUs gonna come back in the same time, and then we're gonna be putting the parts and then tuning it at the same time. As we're speaking about the other cars, there's another G80 dropped off. It's a 2024 mint green. G80 manual rear-wheel drive. This is our good customer Jared's car. We just finished his X7 Alpina B7. I was just talking about it a couple minutes ago. So he just picked up the X7 and then dropped this off. This car was actually at the wrap shop. It's a mint green, but just got a stealth PPF on it, so it looks amazing. I really liked it. At the same time, while the car was there, we removed the ECU. Actually, we went to his wrap shop, removed the ECU and sent it to Femto while the car was waiting there for the PPF. So we didn't waste time. And then in the meantime, the wrap guys put the grills, lip, they put some other cosmetic parts too. So right now we're gonna be doing lowering springs, flex fuel kit, downpipe, flex fuel tune, and then the oil change, because the car still has 700 miles. It's a brand new car, hasn't even done the braking service yet, but about 700 miles is okay to start tuning the car. BMW says about 1200 miles, but 700-800 miles is okay to start doing mods. That's what I did on my car. Right now it's 14,000 miles, running strong, no problem. And then we're gonna be doing an oil change, reset the lights for the braking service, and then start tuning it. Hopefully the clutch won't slip, because that's the main issue in these cars. We'll keep the torque a little lower than usual, so he can have a reliable, non-slipping clutch, you know? So there's a Nissan GTR behind me, as you guys can see. Car has a downpipe and intake, super basic modifications. I had a cup tune off the shelf map. Customer didn't like it. We gave him a Ecotech custom tune with the map switching. There's a map 1 flame map, map 2 is a regular 93 map. It runs pretty good. I think he has a boost leak right now. After driving a couple of days, he's going into lab mode. We'll do boost leak test and then see what's causing it, and then we'll lock the car afterwards. Make sure everything is good on the tuning as well. And then we have a C7. By the way, we normally don't advertise these cars, Nissan and the Corvette, but we tune them all the time, especially in Orlando location. We have a C7 just dropped off. It's a Stingray. It's getting test pipes and a custom tune as well. We're going to be putting the pipes and then start tuning it. He wants to get a stage 1 tune, we call stage 1 basic tune, and then a little bit burbles, and then we're going to be deleting the AFM. It goes from 4-cylinder, like 8-cylinder to 4-cylinder for the MPG, for the fuel economy. We delete those on that car too, so it doesn't mess up the driving quality, because it's kind of annoying. The car goes on this 4-cylinder mode and then goes to 8-cylinder mode. So we delete that with the tune, car stays on the 8-cylinder all the time. And then there's another X6. I'm just showing you guys all the projects, what we have going on. So in future episodes, you guys can have an understanding what we're doing and then why is getting this and that, you know. So we have a 2022 X6. It's a 40i B58 engine. Obviously, like I said before, newer car, newer production date. It's a new production date car. That's why the ECU needs to go to Femto. This customer towed his car from Fort Lauderdale. It's about 3 hours away from where we're at. And then we're going to be ordering downpipes, doing a Femto unlock and a custom tune. This car is going to Jamaica, he said. So it's going to go overseas once we're done with this car. But before, we actually did a couple of cars like that. We did like a GLE 53 before. Customer was shipping that car to Jamaica. I think it's a very common situation here. So same thing with this too. And then next to that, we have a Suburban. It's a 6.2 brand new engine, brand new transmission, has a supercharger on it. We're also tuning that as well. That's pretty much it. We have about 10 cars here, some of our cars, some of customers' cars. We have a lot to finish. So we try to record for you guys as well. It's also not that easy to do everything at the same time. Hopefully you guys can support us, subscribe, like the videos, and make sure to comment on the videos. What do you think about the projects that we do? So we'd love to see those comments. And then we're going to be putting our social media accounts here with the link in the description. You can follow us from social media as well. We are very active on Instagram and Facebook. We post almost every day, all the cars we work on. So make sure you follow us from Instagram too. All right, guys, we're going to be starting to the G80 M3 project today. We're putting the lowering springs, race downpipes, full Westtuned exhaust. We already installed the flex fuel kit, so it's working fine, no problem. We'll do an oil change because, like I said, the car has only 700 miles, still has the break-in oil inside. So we'll drain that and put the regular oil, and then after that we'll start tuning it. So hopefully today we'll finish this up. How's it going? Let me introduce you, come. Very good mechanic, hard worker. He has a fast 335, very fast. We have to show them.
Yeah, we got it.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
Alright guys, G80 is done. We just finished putting the lowering springs, full Westtuned exhaust, downpipes, flex fuel kit, and a custom flex fuel tune by us. Car pulls great, making probably about 680 to the wheels. We kept the torque a little lower than usual because of the stock clutch. But right now car looks great, pulls great. Everything was done in 2 days. Customer dropped off on Monday, today is Wednesday, he's picking up again. Car looks great, I hope you guys like it. But for now, 2022 G80 M3 done by Westtuned.